Part of our commitment to putting Southeast Texas first means getting answers to your legal questions. On Wednesday afternoons, we ask the judge. And Judge Larry Thorne is with us from the 317th District Court. Judge, saluting us. How are you this afternoon?
I'm wonderful. This old man is still hanging on. I'm still with you and enjoying it. Looking forward to answering some questions.
This first one had us talking. It's from Karen, who says, I live in a condo. My bedroom is on the side of the house next door. Their back door and kitchen cabinets are on the same side, and it wakes me up most of the time when they go in and out and slam the back door. Karen says she talked to the landlord, but nothing is being done. Judge, she says this has been going on for 9 years. Does she have any recourse? Karen, we feel for you. It must get annoying.
Oh, yeah. Bad neighbor, bad neighbor. What you going to do? Well, you can't legally wait for her to leave or them to leave and then remove the door from the hinges. That won't work. So one thing you could do, and you probably have done, is first thing is go over and check on them and say, hey, all this slamming stuff, are you okay? Is there anything wrong? Anything we can help you with? You know, and ask them to slow that down. Obviously that hasn't worked. So if you're renting, you have the right to quiet enjoyment of your property. And so if all the renters are complaining, they may be able to do something about this. Third thing that they can do is, especially depending on the time of day it is call the police. But before you do that, take some video and so that you've got the noise recorded. You want some recordings of this. And then, of course, the last thing you can do is move. You know, say, landlord, I can't take it anymore. I can't sleep. It's not good. I can move.
Yeah.
If you own the place, then they probably have an association, and you complain to the association, and they can probably do something about it.
Not necessarily a fun conversation. We hope Karen gets some quiet at some point. I want to get to one more question this afternoon. This involves how much control cities have in setting speed limits on state roads. This person says, I thought TxDOT handled this, but Beaumont recently lowered the speed limit on a big stretch of College. Who has the final say in the speed?
Well, they do have the right. City does have the municipalities have the right to control the speed limit, even on a state highway within the city limits. However, they have to go through either TxDOT engineers or the city engineers to determine the safety limits and for speed purposes, and that can be overruled by TxDOT, but they have concurrent jurisdiction over the city speed limits.
Sounds like in most cases the cities would win out in that situation as long as it was done by the proper channels. Judge, we're going to have to leave it there this afternoon. Great insights. It's good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Take care. And if you've got questions for Ask the Judge, just head to 12newsnow.com/askthejudge, and there's a form to fill out right there.